Hey, I'm Troy with Live Local. I'm here with Shawn with Vivid Pro Systems, and he's going to tell us about his local business today. Go. Hey, I'm Troy with Live Local. I'm here with Shawn of Vivid Pro Systems, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this job that he did here at this church.
Right on. So, Valley Center United Methodist Church invited us out. They were doing a complete remodel of their sanctuary, so we came in, we redid all their audio, their video and lighting. We put in some concert grade JBL line array in here, LED video walls, two left and right, and then one in the back for a confidence monitor, and some Chevet professional lighting. And it was a great experience. We had a lot of fun. It turned out really well.
And so these things aren't TVs, these are video walls.
No, they're LED video walls, similar to kind of what you see on the highway, just a very finer detail. These are actually a 3.9 millimeter pitch, and they're bright and they're in charge.
Yeah, these things look really sharp. Of course, we threw the Live Local logo up there for this presentation, but we'll also cut some B-roll, show you some cool graphics on it, show you how good they really look. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please share this video if you liked it. If you're looking for any audio visual systems, Shawn is your guy here with Vivid Pro Systems, local to Wichita, local business owner. So go check him out. I'll leave all his information and website and everything, how to find him and Vivid Pro Systems, down in the comments below and in the description. So as always, I am Troy.
I'm Shawn.
Reminding you to live local. See you next time.
So you want to start over?
Yeah, we start bloopers. Of course, we threw the Live Local. Of course, we threw the Live Local video.
I'm Shawn.
I forgot. Audio, visual. Hey, I'm Troy.